everyone and welcome again to How to Bank. Hope our videos are helping you to make banking experience simple. In case you are visiting our channel for the first time, we at How to Bank make banking videos so that your banking experience is simple. In our previous video, we have shown how to block a ICICI Bank debit card immediately. My name is Deepak and today we are going to see how to request a new debit card or how to reissue your lost or how to reissue your blocked debit card. For this, you will need your ICICI Bank internet banking user ID and password. Log in with that, then click on customer services and then service request. After that, click under my shortcuts, click on block debit ATM card. Here you can see option of to reissue, to request for reissue of debit card, click here. Click on that. Input your name, confirm your address, phone number, email ID, and accept the terms and conditions shown on the screen. And then click on submit. After you submitted, it will ask you to confirm the request, check the details, and then click on submit. Congratulations, you have successfully requested a new debit card reissuance. So this is the simple process of requesting issuance of a locked debit card. Hope our videos are helping you to make banking easy. Have safe banking, always keep your banking details confidential, always log out of all the banking sessions after your work is done. Remember to log out. Thank you for watching our video. Do subscribe our channel and have a wonderful day.